It's now even harder for parents to find out how many positive COVID-19 cases may be in their child's school. While districts are working with local health departments to track the numbers, most of them aren't breaking down the information school by school. Instead, health officials are only contacting those who may have been exposed. LEX 18's Lee Searcy shows us how a couple of school systems are trying to give parents the information they want.
While most students are back learning in class, COVID-19 is the subject many parents want to know about. Specifically, the number of cases and quarantines at their child's school.
I was like, why? I haven't heard anything about it.
For this mother, it's a transparency issue. She says she should have been notified immediately about any cases without having to ask.
I want to know everything.
Last year, parents tracked a statewide portal to get COVID cases and quarantine information. It showed how many students and staff tested positive for the virus and how many were in quarantine due to possible exposure from school-related activities. But now that responsibility falls on the school districts themselves. Fayette County's school-by-school dashboard was taken down this week after staff handling the tracking couldn't keep up with the increasing number of cases. A district spokeswoman released a statement that read in part, "Rather than provide incomplete information, we took down the dashboard so that we could correct the issue." They hope to relaunch Monday with some changes. Harrison County is also working to launch its own dashboard.
I can't speak for other districts. I can only speak for what we're trying to do here in our community, and that is be transparent with the community with the number of actual cases in the schools, be that student or staff, and the number of quarantines.
Harrison County's dashboard is still under construction, but the superintendent hopes to have it available soon to keep parents in the loop as much as possible.
I worry about the point in time when, if this thing continues on the trajectory that it's on, that we're unable to, we've got so many people quarantined or staff quarantined that we're unable to have school. And I want the community to know why that's the reason, why we're unable to have in-person learning.
We checked around to see if other school districts in Central Kentucky are tackling their own COVID dashboards. Most are not, but Bourbon, Madison, Scott, Clark, Woodford, and Jessamine County schools tell us they're working closely with their local health departments to report and track cases and quarantines on a community level. For some parents, though, that's not enough. So could the state's portal come back requiring all school districts to report? Well, the governor's office says they're still considering it. Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.